Good afternoon class. Today we shall study about nutrition in plant. Why do we eat food? Food provides us material for growth. It gives us energy to do various life activities and it helps us to repair the damaged cell. So from where do we get these food? Why we eat food? Okay, to get, because food contains some nutrients that are important for our body. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the component of food that are present in food and that are important for our body growth. There are 5 basic nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. So in this chapter we are focusing in nutrition in plants. We are talking about plants. So what is nutrition? As the chapter name showing nutrition. So the term is showing what do you mean by this term nutrition? Nutrition means it is a mode of taking in food. It is a process by which living organism take in food and the body of the organism utilize that food in various life process. Like in respiration we need energy. Okay, digestion also we need energy, and to do various life activity we need energy like running, walking, eating, dancing, studying, everything for everything we need energy. That energy we obtain from the nutrition. So how we will define nutrition? It is a process by which nutrition is a process. Nutrition is a process in which an organism take in food and its utilization by the body of the organism. The body of an organism. So, what is nutrition? Nutrition is a process in which an organism take in food and its utilization by the body of an organism is called nutrition. It's called nutrition. Okay. So next, there are 2 different type of nutrition. There are 2 different mode of nutrition. What is mode of nutrition? It is just method of taking in food. The basic 2 type of mode are mode of nutrition. The 2 type of nutrition are, the 2 mode of nutrition are, one is autotrophic and another one is heterotrophic. Heterotrophic nutrition, autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Mode means the method of obtaining or taking food. So autotrophic, first of all we will concentrate on autotrophs. Autotrophs means all the green plants that are able to prepare its own food. The organisms that prepare their own food by themselves are called autotrophs. Okay, and the organisms that are dependent on other organisms for their food are called heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are the organism that derive its food from autotrophs. In autotroph, we will consider all the green plants. It includes all the green plants. So auto means autotrophs. We can say that auto means self. Tropism, tropic, we will say nourishment. Nourishment. Okay. So auto means nourishment. Auto means self, and tropic means nourishment. The organism that derive its nourishment or that prepare its nourishment by its own is called autotroph. So autotrophic mode of nutrition in which the organism prepare its own food, that is called autotrophic. This mode of nutrition is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. And the organism that are preparing their own food by themselves are called autotrophs. Now heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are the organism that obtain their food from autotrophs, directly or indirectly. It includes human being and all other animals. In the whole universe, only autotrophs are the organisms that prepare their own food, because they contain a pigment that is called chlorophyll. But other animals do not have the pigment that is called chlorophyll in their body. That is why they are not able to prepare their food. The component that should be required to prepare their food is not present in the other animal body. That is why we are not able to prepare our food, and we are dependent upon the autotrophs. So what are the difference? How they prepare their food? They utilize, autotrophs utilize carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide, they are getting carbon dioxide from where? They are getting carbon dioxide is present in air, and water is present in the atmosphere. In the soil. Through the soil they are obtaining nutrients and water, and carbon dioxide they are taking from the air, and chlorophyll, they themselves contain chlorophyll. Green plant contains chlorophyll in the leaves. In the leaves, chlorophyll is present, and sometimes it is also present in the green stem also. Okay. So let's discuss the difference between autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophic nutrition. Difference between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. We are discussing here heterotrophic. Trophic nutrition. Hetero means other. Trophic means nourishment. So the organisms that are dependent for their nourishment on other is called heterotroph. Okay, heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition includes all the green plants. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, all the green plants are included. In heterotrophic nutrition, all other organisms apart from green plant are included. All the other organisms means other animal and human beings are included in heterotrophic nutrition. Second, carbon dioxide dioxide and water is used for the preparation of food. Heterotrophs are the organism that derive its food from other organism. Heterotrophs are the organism that derive its food from other organism. They derive their food from autotrophs, you can say, from autotrophs, and their mode of nutrition is called autotrophic mode of nutrition, and their mode of nutrition is called heterotropic mode of nutrition. Heterotropic mode of nutrition. Heterotropic mode of nutrition. Heterotropic mode of nutrition. First of all, autotroph include all the green plant. Second, in heterotroph, all other organisms and other animals as well as human beings are included in heterotroph. Carbon dioxide and water are used for the preparation of food. They derive their food from autotrophs. They derive their food from autotrophs, and their mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In autotrophs, chlorophyll and sunlight is essential for the preparation of food. In heterotroph, chlorophyll is absent. In heterotroph, chlorophyll is absent. Now, what is photosynthesis? In your previous class, you have studied about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which green plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. Got it? So, basically, photosynthesis is a process in which plants prepare their own food, and where we are saying we are preparing our food in our kitchen. But name the kitchen of plants. So the kitchen of plant is leaves. The food factory of plant is leaves. So leaves contain a very important pigment, very important thing, that is called chlorophyll. It is an important pigment for the synthesis of food. So in the absence of chlorophyll, we cannot prepare food. I mean to say, plant cannot prepare food. So plant prepare their food in the kitchen, that is the food factory of plant is leaves. So photosynthesis is a process. Photosynthesis, it is a process by which plant make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, and water, with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay, got it, children? Photosynthesis is basically a process in which plants prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay, clear? Now we will write the equation of photosynthesis. That is very important. Without it, if in exam this question appeared, what is photosynthesis? Give a word equation. Then if you are not writing the proper equation, your marks will be deducted. So we will write a word equation. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives you carbohydrate plus oxygen. You all know that we exhale carbon dioxide and plant exhale oxygen. So we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, whereas plant exhale carbon dioxide and plant inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. Okay, got it? So carbohydrate is the product of this carbon dioxide plus water when combined in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives carbohydrate as well as oxygen. So carbohydrate is a stored food. So if you want, we can write the chemical equation also. Carbon dioxide plus water gives you, in the presence of chlorophyll, and sunlight, gives you carbohydrate C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose plus oxygen. This is the equation of photosynthesis. This is a chemical equation and this is the word equation. In exam, you need to just write this word equation only. That is enough. That is sufficient. If you are writing this equation, you will get full marks in this question. So now, quick evaluation. What you have learned in this class. So autotroph, what is nutrition? First of all, nutrition, it is a intake of food. Basically, it is a process in which food is taken in by the organism and the body utilizes, and the process by which body utilizes it into various activities is called nutrition. Okay, what is nutrients? Nutrients is the component of food. That is, basically we have 5 types of nutrients, carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals. These 5 types of nutrients are present in our food. Next, what is autotrophs? Autotrophs are nothing but they are the green plant. They prepare their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. Heterotrophs are the organisms that depend on other organisms for their food. What is the difference between autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition? First of all, autotrophic mode of nutrition means the organism that prepare their food, and the mode of nutrition is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotroph, the organism that derive their food from the other organism, and this mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, it occurs, autotrophic mode of nutrition occurs only in green plant. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition includes, apart from green plant, other organism, that is animal and human being. Carbon dioxide and water is utilized in the preparation of food, and in heterotrophic mode of nutrition they are dependent on other organisms. Again, chlorophyll and sunlight is essential here in autotrophic mode of nutrition, but here it is absent. Chlorophyll is absent in heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. Now what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is very simple. It is a process in which plants make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. Can you write the word equation? Word equation means, how will you write? Carbon dioxide combined with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and at the last it will gives you carbohydrate and oxygen. Okay, see you in the next class.